What is that? Are there people out there? Hey there! Anybody still out there on this channel? It's Green, and this is Shades. We're driving to a game right now, and I thought I would vlog. I think I'm gonna do a vlog. Every game, I'm gonna try to vlog and give you guys something, some content, some entertainment. I'll do a dance. Okay, I'm not gonna do a dance, but something entertaining, right? What else? Yes, we're back. Finally, after all this time. Life gets busy. It gets very busy, but then you add health complications to it as well, and it sort of eliminates things like my ability to get content on this channel. But I've been feeling better. It's been like 5 months. I haven't been able to focus on a lot other than the various work I do and my health. So I'm feeling better, and I want to let you guys know that we're not completely off the face of the earth. We just haven't been airsofting in a while either. Today is a game that we never miss. It's called Operation Snipe-O-Rama, held by Blackthorn Airsoft. We are also sad to hear that Cowboy has stepped down out of BTA command, and you'll be missed. A while back, of course, was Ghost. If any of you guys know him anyway, they're local here to Utah. Maybe I should introduce myself. I'm Paul Green. I go by Green. Really original, I know. This is Michael. He goes by Shades because he has some cool shades. Show him those shades. America. So that's why he shades. What else? So Ghost had stepped down months ago. He got so busy, and it's partly my fault. I'm sorry. I sort of refocused him onto the things he really wanted to do in life because he was at a job that he really did not like, and I was just like, hey, you should try this, and then he took off with it. Honestly, I just kind of showed him the door. He already had the talent and had all the know-how to do what he does. He does props for movies. I do film production as well. I'm in the camera department for movies and for other live events and stuff like that, and I also do a little producing, but he does props and he does art, and he loves doing that, and he just has taken off with it. Now he's a prop master for a show shot out here in Utah called Studio C. It has had some national recognition. Anyway, back to Airsoft. We're gonna miss you, and as well, Cowboy. Matt, aka Cowboy, you will be missed as command. I'm sure you'll be out to games, right? Still gotta go to games. We're going to Snipe-O-Rama. We're going up into the hills to shoot each other with BBs. I know it'll be a good time. I created this little monstrosity on my replica Elcan to hopefully capture something fun. I don't want to copy K-Factor. I'm not trying to copy. I'm not trying to compete or anything because I'm not a sniper. I just use an optic, and I want to get some fun footage. So hopefully this can be something that I can continue on and do a lot of. And anytime I go to an airsoft game, I can vlog, and you guys can come along. And I'm not saying I'm good at airsoft, because I really am not good at airsoft. I just want to bring you guys along to these airsoft games, any airsoft game I go to. So come along. The pines. We love the pines. We're high up in elevation. Many feet. I think we found them. This looks like an airsofter pile. There's base camp. They must be out playing a game. We might be a little late. Okay, so we're all geared up, ready to play a game. He was just praying, sorry I interrupted. We're gonna get out on the field here a little bit, out that way. We've got our face protection. Oh, there you are. Got a mesh eye protection, so no fogging. He's got the same thing. He's got an M16 by KWA. I've got the MP5. It has the replica Phantom Gear L-Can. I will be putting this camera on there to view through that. I've got my comms, I've got high caps, I've got mid caps and a high, I've got a double mag here, ready to rock. Everything's green except for my sling. I think we're pretty much ready to go. We've got Baofeng's comms just between the two of us. Good. Hey guys, what's up? It's K-Factor, Grinch, and Iceman. Looking extra bushy. Snipe-O-Rama 2017. Yay. What do you have here?
New toy?
Of course it's a new toy.
Crytek LMG.
Wow.
First day out trying it.
Oh, nice.
Battle on his team.
Let's
I think I'm the only saw out here today.
Show that off a little bit. Let's see.
Oh.
What do we got here? Wow. Nice.
I love my other Crytek, so I figured this would be fun.
Nice, you got the Mac 11 going on.
Yeah, he does.
Cool. So everybody's just reloading and getting ready, hydrating, and we'll play soon. Hello. How's it going, guys?
Huh? Put a big old gouge in. Oh yeah? You have all kinds of gouges in your car. Huh? You have all kinds of gouges in your car.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, it's like
Because I backed up into a boat.
Airsoft vlog.
Yeah.
Get this guy in there.
Hey.
It's his first day.
What's your name?
Tate.
Tate? Awesome. Do you have a call sign yet? Working on that one?
you.
Yeah.
That's mine.
Hey, that's pretty cool. Potato, maybe? Null it over.
Think about it.
Yeah. See everybody that's out here today.
Yeah, he's got a 4-star M82.
Hey. I did a featured player on this guy. You need to check him out. Hades. Link in the description. Or link on the screen. Now, go.
The rat wants to dip to get out.
Getting the game rules. Getting everybody ready. Getting everybody on the right team.
Down here somewhere, I think I can see it right there. Checkered. Red and white, that's the attacker's spawn and start point. So you guys are going to start from there, and that's where you spawn from at first. Okay? Yeah. Everyone is spawned this game. You must take the 4 flags down consecutively. Taking them down, we've changed it from actually diving on them and stuff because we hammer in rebar to hang them up, make them stand. We don't want you dying. So all you need to do is run up and grab it. Now this is where you show your honor. All right? And if you get caught, we're going to make an ass out of you, okay? You run up, and if you get your hand on it, you don't take a hit. Put your other hand up and hold the flag and stand there. You're going to take some BBs doing this. It's going to happen. It happens, okay? People are trying to kill you, and you were just running or something. That means you got it in time. If you took a BB, even if you realized it last minute, you grabbed it, you started to put your hand up, and you realized, no, just let go, and just say dead man and turn around, start walking away. That way.
Hey, Red. Hey, Blitz. Hey, Juke. Hey. What's going on, guys? What's up?
What's happening, brother?
Long time no see.
Yeah,
Hey,
you
you
guys
got
haven't been
Fat
there for a
Company
while.
going on here?
Yeah. Little fat
We revived
going
it.
on.
Sweet.
Yeah.
I've got my Fat Company patch in my truck.
Oh, you should put it on.
I'll have to show you guys
Are we
Fat
live?
Company.
Are we live right now?
No,
Let's
but
go
this
on
is
my back.
I'm Airsoft vlogging.
Oh, are you?
I'm gonna put it on my channel on the
Yeah.
Airsoft Utah.
Nice.
Hey, everybody, come out and play Airsoft. Utah Airsoft is the best.
That's my toe.
You heard it.
Yep.
Utah Airsoft, #1, Blackthorn. #2. Just kidding.
We're gonna go do a #2 in the woods.
In the woods.
I'm gonna do
Make
it
sure I
right
don't
here.
step in it.
With
I'm gonna
some
do it right
poison
here.
ivy. I'm gonna wear orange while I
Just
do
for
it,
you.
Are you doing it?
Make sure to look for.
Man, Shades!
Hey.
How you doing?
Long time no
Tired,
see.
but you know I'm here. Man, I haven't seen
He
you
didn't
guys
even go to
forever.
his concert last night. I'm disappointed in him. Hey, Green.
I'm disappointed, what can I say?
I stepped on this.
Just kidding. Stop having such a wide stance. And camouflage. So much
Now it
camouflage.
just looks like you're trying to drop
Dropping it.
So make sure to
Moving out. We're moving out with the rest. I got you attached to my gun right now. The audience.
I'm gonna see if I can't get me a nice little overlook.
Kind of seems out of the way.
Yeah, it does. All right, game on. There's our flag we're defending. And some snipers are gonna have specific balloons they hit. See what I can see. That must be the other balloon. Okay, we're moving. Going up to the road again. I see you. I'm ready at your 12. All right, shall we go up to the road?
Get up there with John. Get covered by those trees.
I got shot, I was down. Just spawned again. Sniper. Hit! I don't.
Nice job, whoever's in the tree.
Hey, how's it going?
Over here?
Yeah, they're just helping another firefight that's happening out there. Reloading. There's guys here, and I know we do have some of our own guys out there too. It's game over. So a lot of hiding and waiting. They didn't get the flags though.
I think they got one.
Did they get the far up one? Did they ever get purple?
No. They
Yeah.
were close. They got close to the end of the game here, but never got it.
We were doing a consecutive flag where we had to, if we'd spawn at a flag, and if that flag was under fire, we had to go to the next one. And they only brought us under fire on the second flag, so that was good.
I got up with my pistol and popped out far from it.
Hi, trooper.
Hello. How are we?
So good.
That's a mighty big lens you got there.
Yeah, it's my wide angle,
Yes, it is.
so I can just go, hello,
Nice.
hello there. Is it me you're looking for? It is.
It's time to go.
It's time to go.
He's getting to them.
Drink something. Getting a little scared. Time for some Gatorade. Need some Gatorade. My dump pouch is getting real heavy here. It's bouncing around. I expended most of my magazines. Yeah, 2 left. Post game. This break brought to you by White Cherry Powerade and
Blue cherry gator.
Blue Cherry Gatorade.
That's funny.
We like cherry, I guess. We didn't even know it. Must be kind of dry, is what I'm thinking.
Pretty dry state already.
Yeah. I had to get some full auto there at the very end. I don't know if you noticed that. I expended, let's see how many magazines. 2, 4, 6. This one wouldn't feed. You can tell there's some in there. 2, 4, 6. 6 mags. 6 out of 8. Some of those mid caps, but how many you got there?
There's one. One of them wasn't feeding correctly. I think I overloaded it like I sometimes do, unfortunately. It's 2. Yeah, it's that one. That one still has BBs. So technically 3. Those 3 right there.
Some of that was a game of weight. Whoa, got like foliage on me. It's not uncommon. It actually is real nice out here, though. Sucker doesn't feed. Sometimes you just want to beat the crap out of a mag when it doesn't feed.
I overloaded it, so there's a jam in here somewhere.
Oops. Have to remember how many pumps you do on certain mags, I guess. Look for fun comics inside. What?
And I call them Ebony and Ivory. Two snipers can carry their snipers.
Okay, they're doing a shotgun pistol game only. So we're gonna load up with shotguns. This is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna put my L can on the shotgun and see how that looks. Should be a sight to behold. Why can't I get that straight?
You stop, you don't have to take any, you stop for 15 seconds. Right? So hold out your life. These are your lives. Okay? You hold out a life. Alright, if an enemy comes up and tags you, you hand them the life. And then you spawn off of any flag in the field. Alright?
Oh crap. I'm trying to film here. I'm getting shot at. Whew, it's a hike to get to our spawn. We're dead. But we also took some out on the way. We just, I couldn't get my camera, you know. I don't have anything to mount it to. Maybe I'll be more efficient one of these days and get some footage.
Help the gringos. Help them. Thank you. Oh.
You are banded.
We are
Okay,
banded.
I couldn't see him. Oh, you're tricking me.
Sorry, bro.
You're tricking me.
Are you banded?
They're shooting at us behind us.
Oh, okay.
That way.
Let's see if I can film at the same time.
Hey, Mr. Sniper.
You did catch me by surprise. I was going for the whole, like, he doesn't know I'm on his team still. I almost had your whole group, me and my 3 guys, but then, like, freaking Grinch with his auto.
You guys are freaking crazy. Wait, who's going full auto?
Grinch, he had his freaking Mac 10.
Oh, that's allowed to go full auto?
Yeah.
Oh,
Pistol.
I heard that and I thought, who's doing that? Sounds like an HPA or something.
I'd say the Mac 10, the MP7, and whatever that one is, the Bretta.
Yeah, I mean, I tried to go full auto, but it didn't work too well.
As fast as you could pump.
What's that? That was good. That was like a single fire game, besides like the full auto Mac 10s, Mac 11s, whatever. So, pretty sweet.
Range was a freaking 6-shooter versus a Mac 10.
I like hit it and then it popped.
Yeah!
Hey.
Pop some people.
Pop plenty.
How'd you guys do?
We did good. We
Oh.
rushed some, took a few.
Anybody got water on him?
Yeah. I got water in my truck, unfortunately.
I mean, right here.
Hey! He's a jerk, you kept shooting me so much.
Dude, I waited for you for so long.
There was a standoff there for a
I
little
saw
bit.
your shotgun like fly out, and you're looking like right at me, and then you like pointing your shotgun this way, and I was like,
I saw you running. Pop! You run. You're like running all over the
Yeah,
place.
there's more waters back at camp.
Like, I'm not gonna run as
yeah, I'm
much.
tired now. And I knew there was 2 of you, but I ran out of ammo when I was trying to go for you. I was like, no! Yeah, you shot me in the butt. That hurt.
How you doing?
Huh?
How you doing?
Tired. Dizzy
Yeah?
a little bit.
I had the chance tonight, but no night.
Keep breathing. See, that's what we do for each other in the Brothers of Airsoft. It's the camaraderie. It's the honor. And it's fun. And you get to carry his stuff. Good friend.
Bring the camera then. I'm lost and found, don't you know?
You lost and found as well?
Yep.
Somebody left their stove here. They were cooking and then they lost their stove. Let's see, he's talking to me. Yeah, I think that's a day. It's good to have communication with your team. Shades and I are in constant communication with each other on our comms. That's pretty good. It's kind of hard to vlog and walk over the little twigs and the stuff that I get under my feet.
Snipers, give me your card.
Yeah, how'd you do, man?
I died a lot of shot.
You got one off my kid.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You can see Jukebox now.
Hey guys, can you give me a little hug? Oh, thanks, brother. Miss this man.
It's good to be back. It's good to be out.
Good to have you.
See Blitz.
Where'd they go? Snipers!
Good job, guys. And you too.
You have fun, finally?
Okay,
you
even with
happy
those
now?
sounds. Trooper back there.
Take care, boys.
Coming out.
Oh yeah.
Get out and play. There's
Yeah.
no excuse.
These are friends.
No chair softing.
Yeah, Danny. Get out here.
You heard it. I tell you enough, so you can hear it from other people. Yippee! Anyway.
Get with the program, YouTube, Airsoft, Utah.
Woohoo!
Look at this chair.
I don't even know what it's called, but it's so comfortable. Nice and flat.
Whoa.
Folds up if I can remember how to do it really easy.
Just kidding.
Horse won it.
Woo!
Now can you block bullets? Moment for a picture with horse.
Let's see you sitting at. And then it just bungee.
Get a Jeep that's
Look at the smile on his face. Tell us when you gotta keep taking pictures.
Are you holding the prize?
I guess so.
No. Come on, let's go. Hurry. Run with it.
Start shooting. Aim for the testicle. Take pictures quick. Holy crap.
That's your hi. How are you?
He's a little dehydrated.
Champ.
Is the water flowing to your head now?
You got some blood in your head? Huh? That might make it worse, actually.
Yeah, now it's gonna all go out.
All right, I know. Ajax Customs officially gives you a window sticker for your car. You came in very, very close. Not really. You had like a deck of cards and you had 2. Take pictures. I expected it. A good game, man. Whatever.
And slack it a little bit more in. Yeah, sweet.
Right,
That's the shot right there, fellas.
Get in there. Get in there. Get in here.
Oh, he got in tighter. You got to get in tighter now.
All the snipers.
There you go.
I'm gonna be humping his legs soon. I don't mind. He doesn't mind. I don't mind.
Looking good.
Target. All right, let's give him the other stuff. Target.
Go.
Horse. All right, horse. Horse. Jeff Hager Horse has won BTA's annual 7th annual Operation Snipe-O-Rama. Completed the sniper test. He also gets a decal from Ajax Customs. And Ajax Customs and Tactical Airsoft Supply in Layton and Salt Lake City has gracefully donated a new sniper rifle to our new sniper.
Right, shop local. Shop local.
Woo! Shop local, everyone. Take pictures.
Yeah.
Cool pictures.
Right, and there is your yearly pin.
You have your engraved year on the
Let's see
back
that
of that
puppy.
sucker. Wear it with pride.
I will.
This is being awarded by our former winner from last season, last year, John Iceman.
And then your name will go on the trophy.
You have finally unseated the command team from the trophy.
Yes, I should compete again.
Hi, how are you, Radar? Good to see you.
That's gonna look so cool. Let's go. Kyle, who won before you? This is 5. There's 2 more.
That's when we officially started.
Yeah, but this is the 7th, right?
We never officially had a winner.
Let's see that thing. Let's look at it close.
First, there's the title. And then there's our previous winners.
Sweet.
And there's your contribution.
Oh yeah, that's the one I gave?
Yes, it is.
That's awesome. I gave that little award a few years back.
We didn't officially.
Snipe-O-Rama,
Here's
guys.
the first year, the year
Come
before
next
that.
year. If you're in Utah, northern Utah area, got to come to Snipe-O-Rama. It's a ton of fun.
Absolutely.
Blackthorn Airsoft.
Absolutely.
What the heck is you doing? Meow. Meow? Oh, okay, meow. Have fun, meow. Ah! Messy hair pick. I've got pretty good hair going on right. You've got good hair too.
Great hair.
He's got some hair under there, probably. Okay. Take that. My band.
Does that work?
What?
Messy hair?
Yeah.
There we go, messy hair.
Yeah, messy hair. Are you, whoa, I missed the flip. You gotta do it again.
Oh, okay.
You were challenging us to messy hair? Oh, I don't know, that looks pretty good. I got a cookie, I know how to use it. You can have them. Give me all your cookies. That's right, you give them me.
Nope, never mind. Beat him with the bag!
Oh. Yep, that's what happens after a day of airsofting. It's the equivalent of like 3 a.m. goofiness. Yeah, I forget what that, I think that's from BCO, isn't it?
No,
This
that's
one?
not the, no, neither of those are BCO. That was a giveaway. I think you guys did win those.
All right, that ends another airsofting adventure. Thank you for joining us. We're gonna drive out of this area, even though it's very beautiful, but we have prior engagements such as taking a nap and playing video games.
And eating lots of food.
And eating lots of food. Can I go back farther? We're gonna try it. We've got a small dirt path here. There's another vehicle. We're good. Bless you. And again.
Thanks.
So what did we learn today, Shades?
We learned that shotgun and pistol games only can be very fun.
They can be fun. You know, I really enjoyed it. What else did we learn? We learned that hydrating is important. That's 2. And eating plenty of cookies is desirable. There's your 3 things that we've learned today. Get a load of this view. We get to see it when we go play airsoft.
Thank you for watching my very first Airsoft vlog. This is Green, using my wannabe trailer announcer voice. Please consider subscribing, like, and comment. Be excellent to each other. And ta-ta for now.